Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change the eye size of your ZOI on InZOI game. So this can only be changed before you create your household. So basically only on Character Studio. So once you are here, you're going to choose that you can edit face, and then you're going to choose eyes. Once you have chosen your eyes, you want to make sure to zoom in. And then as you can see, you can edit it a little bit and make the eyes bigger a little bit. But what you actually want to press on is detailed editing right there. And from here, you can actually make the eyes really, really big. So let me just do that. Basically, you press on any of these dots and it will now edit the eyes. As you can see, we can make it way bigger by pressing on these buttons, just like so. Now this is all probably the biggest we can get. And if this video was helpful, guys, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.